Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guys, we're making a cough syrup. So, because my son has a cold and they're coughing, so we're making a homemade cough syrup. So we have here ginger, onion, and then garlic. Oh, that one only. Yeah, my son is cooking. So we just use this one. This one. Then one onion. So let's clean this one. So, the garlic guys is antibacterial or antiviral, antifungal, including molds. This one. And antiparasitic. So, there's a lot of use of garlic in our body. And rich in phytochemical allicin. Then there's a sulfur compound that help prevent disease. It's perfect food to help fight colds, flus, and throat infection. That's the use of garlic. Ginger guys has incredible immune boosting and germ fighting abilities. Then it helps to prevent cold, flu, motion sickness, vertigo, if you have menstrual cramps, heartburn, migraine. If you are pregnant, you can use a ginger tea in the morning for your morning sickness. And that is ginger. And then the onion naman help to reduce swelling and lung tightness related to asthma, or if you have phlegm, so you can use this one. So make sure you clean this one. I use the organic ginger guys. I buy this one in organic shop. Organic ginger and organic onion and organic garlic. So I bought that one in organic shop. And then we use honey guys, because my son don't like to drink ginger tea. So I add sweetness on this. So to taste sweet. Not really. I don't like the taste of onion and garlic. So we need to wash this one. And next, prepare an empty jar. I use the plastic, not the bottle or glass, because the plastic is not rusty like this. The lid is not rusty, so it's better to use the one. Then make sure you clean up your things, and then you cut off the ginger. Make sure you cut like this to extract the juice of ginger. Then cut like this. Then put in the jar. And do it like this. So that the juice will extract. Put in the jar. Smell the ginger, and then onion, guys, cut like this. Okay. First, guys, a big garlic. It's up to you how many garlic you want. Make sure you crush the garlic. And we add a lot of honey. Here in Australia, guys, there is a lot of honeybee farm, so we don't use sugar. We always buy honey. One bucket of honey, it's $350. I think it's enough, this one. That one, guys. Yeah, enough for. And leave it for. You can use the one for whole month, or how many months you can use that. So depend on you. That's it, guys. If you want to add more onion, you can. Depend on the jar that you're using. Okay. And then we mix together the honey, garlic, and onion. Don't forget to crush the garlic, guys, and ginger. It's better to use the plastic, this one, plastic jar, because the bottle is not, it's not rusty. Yeah, that one, guys. You can use this one. You can use 1 tablespoon of honey, that one, and before the eat. And then breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then it's not really bad because there's a honey. Okay, and you can use this one for 1 month. And then if the honey is not enough, just add. Okay guys, I hope you learned from this video, especially during winter or changing the season. So there's a lot of flu, colds on the kids, so they need this one, a homemade cough syrup. It's good for their body because this one is it's not commercial, it's just in the kitchen. So there's it's better to buy organic than the stuff on the other shop. It's better. What I mean is, organic is don't have fertilizer or pesticide that they use. This one is don't have fertilizer because this one is organic. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. It's time to drink, son.
This time I'll say
Mm.
some are good, some are good,
Ah, Jakare. Ah, drink.
It's fine, huh?
Yeah. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.